Is Windows 12 really coming in 2026? You may have seen a lot of viral articles online claiming that Microsoft's preparing to release Windows 11 with Windows 12 next year. But here is the truth. Most of those reports are misleading or completely inaccurate. So in this video, we're gonna break down Microsoft's real roadmap, what the Windows Insider program reveals, and why Windows 12 is very unlikely to launch anytime soon. Let's clear up the confusion. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Sudama Lab, where we cover the latest Windows updates, insider builds, and Microsoft news. If you're just staying updated with everything happening in the Windows ecosystem, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, because I post regular Windows update breakdowns and insider builds features. Alright, let's get started. Over the few weeks, several websites and blogs have been claiming that Windows 12 will launch in 2026 as the successor to Windows 11. Some articles even say that Microsoft's already preparing for a brand new operating system. But there is the important thing. Microsoft has never officially mentioned Windows 12. There has been no confirmation, no announcement, and no roadmap showing Windows 12 releasing in 2026. So where are these rumors coming from? Most of them are based on misinterpretations of insider builds and Microsoft developer branches. To understand what's really happening, we need to look at the Microsoft's Windows Insider program. The Windows Insider program gives us the best look at Microsoft's future plans. You can access it through Settings, then Windows Update, then Windows Insider program. Inside this program, Microsoft currently has several channels that test upcoming features. First, we have Release Preview channel. This channel is basically the final testing stage before public release. Users on the channel usually receives updates 1 or 2 weeks earlier than everyone else. So it doesn't really show us long-term future plans. Next are the Beta channel and the Dev channel. These two channels are currently testing future updates for Windows 11. Right now, both channels are working on improvements related to upcoming Windows 11 versions such as 24H2 updates, 25H2 improvements, and eventually a 26H2. In fact, Microsoft is expected to release Windows 11 version 26H2 in 2026. But there is something very important. Even though the version number changes, the core Windows platform will remain the same. That means 26H2 will still be built on the same build platform used in Windows 11 today. So it's still Windows 11 evolving, not a brand new operating system. Now let's talk about the Canary Channel, because this is where things get interesting. The Canary Channel is basically Microsoft's experimental development environment, and right now, it appears to be quite into two different development paths. One part of the Canary Channel is focused on new ARM-based devices, including laptops powered by Snapdragon processors and other chipsets. These builds are designed to optimize Windows for next-generation hardware platforms. And the build number of this Canary Channel starts with 28,000 storage. And the second development branch inside Canary is testing builds based on a completely new platform internally called Krypton. The latest builds in this branch are already reaching very high build number, that is 29,000 storage, which indicates that Microsoft is working on a future major Windows release. However, this release is not expected before 2027. Most analysts believe that these builds are preparing for the foundation of Windows 11 version 27H2. Based on everything we currently know from insider builds, the most likely roadmap looks like this: 2025 Windows 11 improvements and feature updates, 2026 Windows 11 version 26H2, and 2027 Windows 11 version 27H2 based on the new platform. So as you can see, Microsoft is still fully committed to Windows 11 for the next several years. There is no evidence that Windows 12 will replace it anytime soon. Another interesting change, Microsoft is reportedly planning the return of Moment Update. These are smaller feature updates released between major Windows versions. We previously saw them during the Windows 11 version 22H2 era, where Microsoft delivered new features without requiring a full operating system upgrade. If this strategy returns, it means users will receive more frequent feature improvements throughout the year. There is absolutely no reliable evidence that Windows 12 will be launched in 2026. Microsoft is currently focused on continuing to evolve Windows 11 with version 26H2 in 2026 and version 27H2 in 2027. Could Windows 12 eventually happen? Of course, but if it does, it's still several years away. So the next time you see an article claiming that Windows 12 is launching next year, take it with a grain of salt. Right now, the data from Microsoft's own insider builds clearly shows that Windows 11 will remain the main operating system for at least the next couple of years. And if Microsoft ever announces Windows 12, you can be sure I'll cover it here as soon as it happens. If you enjoyed and found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel and turn on notification bell so you never miss upcoming videos about Windows Insider builds, Windows 11 updates, Microsoft announcements, and future Windows features. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.